Aadi, what's up? You look like a squished tomato. Any problem? Can I help you?
Gogu, imagine I'm in a shop and I don't know what or how much I want to buy.
Okay, that's called shopping without a list. So,
how can I write a code for shopping if I don't know what I'll buy?
it's a coding problem. Drum roll, please. The answer is while loop.
Sounds like magic, but I don't know how to use it.
No worries. Let's ask the great wizard of code. I mean, our teacher.
Good morning, future coders.
Good morning, teacher.
Teacher, Aadi needs help. He's turning into a worry pot.
Oh, dear Aadi, how can I help you?
When we went for shopping, we can't say what and how much we are going to buy.
True. Are you curious about how to apply it in coding? We'll use a while loop to handle your mysterious shopping list. Initially, let's define a variable for the total bill amount. Let's begin the code. Now start the while loop in a different way. This is the way of defining an infinite loop. Here, the instruction given to the computer is start the process. We will terminate it as per the need. Now your shopping starts. Accept the name of the article, quantity, and price. Now we will calculate the bill amount of the purchased article. This step will help us get the final bill at the end of the shopping, but this variable has to be initialized to 0 before starting the loop. Display the value of bill. Let's confirm with the user if he wants to continue shopping or not. Check the value of confirm. If the user says no, then terminate the loop using break statement. The break statement helps to terminate the loop and comes out of the loop. Loop gets continued if the user says yes. Once control is out of the while loop, it means that shopping is done. At this stage, show the final bill.
Why are we writing total bill 0 in the beginning?
You'll see, that's how we start the piggy bank. Okay, Aadi, ready to shop?
Let's go.
What do you want to buy?
Pence.
Good, 10 pens, 25 rupees each. Want to buy more?
Yes, let's get color boxes. Quantity, 5, rate, 50 rupees.
Say no to end shopping.
Whoa, that was like a shopping game.
And no one even asked for a discount.
So kids, what did we learn today? Use a while loop to keep going until you say stop with break, and always start with total, bill sub 0, like an empty wallet. When you don't know how many times, use a while loop. It keeps going until you say stop with break, and always start your bill at 0, like an empty wallet. I wish shopping in real life was this much fun and free. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep coding and don't spend all your virtual money at once. Bye-bye.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.